Alright, so I'm doing an unboxing of the MTN MiFi because MTN MiFi connects up to 8 devices as it's written here. So I'm going to do the unboxing and setting up the different things. So let me start with the router, the MiFi. So what you just do, you just open it. So when you open it, inside here you have the SIM card which is registered. I've registered the SIM card actually. And this is the starter guide, the manual, the device, and what it all contains and what it does. And this some sticker, and this is the MiFi. It is pack, so I'll just unpack it. So this is the MiFi, and the MiFi down here, you open it. So this is the 4G MiFi I just got. So down here, there's no battery stored on it. This so I'll just have to finish the setup. So I just open this. Over here is the USB charger to charge it, and this is also the battery. So this is the battery. As it's written here, 25,000 milliampere hour. So that's the battery. So get the MTN SIM card which is inside here, which is registered already. And this MTN SIM card is pre-activated with 30 gig. So it comes with 30 gig, which is also activated. I've done that. So I'll just insert it inside here. Sorry, turn it this way because of the way. If you look over here, you see it is written how to insert it. So I'll put it this way, then push it in. It's entered. Then this side is in case you have an SD card, memory card, so you can put it here to use that. Then I'll now put my battery. Then cover it. So alright, so it's sealed up. So I'll also do a video on how to power it on. So this is USB for charging the MiFi. So that is all for the setting up of the 4G MiFi, the unboxing of the